That thing sounds good, baby.
Okay guys, today we're going to be replacing the heater hose assembly on a 2011 Volkswagen Routan. So right there, it's shaped like a Y, is the heater hose assembly, and it runs back in through here and then all the way up under the car or the van, all the way to the back. And Volkswagen wants $350 something odd dollars like that for the whole assembly. And today we're just going to be replacing it with this kit here that you can pick up at your local auto parts store, which is only about I think she paid like 17 bucks for this. So yeah guys, we're just gonna get this clamp taken off right here, that squeeze clamp, and then we're just gonna cut these lines up here with scissors or oh, damn. All right guys, so we got the old hose cut like so, and just getting ready to put this Y kit on there. All right guys, got the Y connector on there and got it tightened down. I just got to put this last piece of hose on the bottom right there, connected to that plastic piece right there.
Never have it at home.
All right. Now with these clamps, Caitlin, they are like parts place clamps, so you might want to tell Levi to go back and check this tightness on them from time to time.
All right. I'll bring them down and I'll.
Because they will, yeah, or bring it down and the other mechanic will check it. Because they do tend to like vibration, yeah. All right guys, so we got that back on there, no leaks. Definitely a route you might want to take if you own a vehicle like this. I told y'all 350 earlier. Wife said it's actually 450. It's something you buy from a dealership, so definitely a cheaper route. Way I go. Hope this video helps somebody out. There it is again, from a different angle.